Arg, everybody! I'm Xander from Fun King 3D. Welcome to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. Why am I dressed like a pirate? Because I printed a pirate knife.
Xander's Thing Thursday, hey! Bringing 3D printed things every single Thursday. It's Xander's Thing Thursday, yeah, Xander's Thing Thursday.
I was looking for pirate stuff on this magical site called Thingiverse, but I stumbled upon this pirate's knife, designed by BZH Info. There'll be a link to it in the description below. This was printed on the Robo 3D R1 Plus. The blade was Prusa silver, and the handle was AIO Robotics black. The first attempt of the blade failed because the end lifted off the bed, and that's a terrible pirate's item. This was printed with a 210-degree nozzle, a 60-degree bed, and a 0.2 layer height. Overall, it's a really cool knife, but the handle's too small. Assembly is easy. It can only go in one way. You can glue yours if you want. Thank you for tuning in to this week's episode of Xander's Thing Thursday. If you like what I'm doing, please subscribe and ring the bell for notifications. A thumbs up is always appreciated as well. Till next week, as always, print on. Hey everybody, so what is a pirate's favorite letter? X, because it marks the spot of the treasure.